Hey, Ken here at Waters Garden Center, and the holiday plants, poinsettias, Christmas cactus, amaryllis, they're here, and it's so exciting. It's so fun to decorate with these festive plants. We've got a lot of colors, a lot of sizes. In fact, I take this one to Christmas parties and give it to the hostess with the mostess. Just going, thank you from the lanes. This is just, thanks for having us over. There's lots of colors to play with. In fact, take a look at this new one for 2020. Speckled. Is that cool? It's got a splash of white on top of the red. You're not going to find this anywhere but Waters Garden Center. Better genetics, better plants, hardier. They're not going to shed as well, shed their leaves as like you'll find at a grocery store or some of these other places. Poinsettias are the epitome of Christmas, right up there with the Christmas tree. And you're going to find them here at Waters Garden Center.